Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word guesses. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She made several guesses before finally figuring out the answer. Guesses refers to estimates or assumptions made without definite knowledge or evidence, often used to make predictions or solve problems through trial and error. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.